What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you, me and my dad are doing a brisket cook-off since we can't see each other because it's a long story. You don't want me to tell. But I'm going to kind of keep track of what we're doing with our briskets. We're both going to post the video on YouTube and see whose turns out best. So, yeah. Let's get straight to it. Why not? I'm just in the prep stage. All right, so first off, we trimmed off a little of the fat cap. A little bit, I left some of it on. This is a USDA Prime Choice beef from good old HEB. It's got a lot of marbling. Should be a extremely tender piece of meat. So that's step one. You guys didn't need to see me actually trimming it. It's okay. Next is, of course, seasoning it. Alright guys, so next important step is, this is a day before I'm actually going to cook this. This is going to sit in the fridge, really soak in all those flavors, and should hold in the moisture really, really good. And I'll be back when we get this thing on the grill and started. Today's cook is gonna happen on the Pit Boss Pro 1100 series. First step is to get this bad boy turned on. It's quite the process. Get up the temperature to be around 195 for smoke setting. Another cool thing about this is when you to give you two meat probes. So probe 1 is sitting in the front of the grill. Probe 2 is in the meat. You just run them up through the little hole to the grill. Comes with the pit boss itself. We are rocking and rolling. All right, we're back. We're in for our first round of spraying it down. Been a few hours. We're at 115 on the meat. I took it off the smoke setting, put it on 200, and it's been holding 200 really well. Fluctuates a little bit, but it's been doing really, really well. So we're gonna open this up for the first time and spray it, just to try to keep some moisture on that bad boy. So first look since we've started. And that's what we're gonna do for now. We'll close her back up and let her continue cooking. And we're back. So, for those of you that don't have pellet grills and you're thinking about it, one thing I've learned when I started this grill up on smoke setting only, it got to about 170. I changed my P setting to P3 instead of P4, which comes normally. I actually turned it to 200, let it run for a little bit, and then turned it back to smoke on the same P3 setting, and it is holding right at 195 now, which is where I want this temperature to be. So we're at our next spot where I'm going to spray it down again. We're at 141 internal on the meat. We're just going to give it a quick spray, get to see what it's turning out to be again. The bark is beginning to form. That's where we're at right now. So quick tip, if you want your temp a little higher on the smoke setting, set it up to 200 and then go back, and I think that solves it just a little bit. Well, I'll tell you later in the video if it keeps working. All right guys, we have hit the stall. We're at 160 and it's holding 160, so we're gonna take this off, flip it around, wrap it real quick. Catch you in a second. Have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this one opening up since it's paper. We're going to go this way with one over the top. I have 2 layers going over the bottom already, so I'm not really worried about the juices coming out. All right, we're gonna get this back on the grill. Probe's back in, and we're gonna let this power through the stall. We are at it's climbing And we're back. So we've hit, we're at 186 right now. I'm gonna shut her down, take her off, let her rest in a towel for a little bit. We'll see you in a second. All right. We have reached the point of no return. See what this thing looks like. It's been resting for a while. Still nice and warm. Pull this towel out the way. Take it out of the paper. And see just exactly what we're dealing with here. And as you can see, it's pretty juicy. All right, so where to start? I'm gonna cut this end off. See where the grain is going. I don't know how to do this. We're gonna cut it in half. Oh yeah, she's juicy. I have no idea which way the grain is going here. I don't know. So there's a recap. What it looks like. Yeah.